Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal account with Zoho Books. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are just getting started with Zoho Books and want to keep track of their PayPal transactions. And so with that, connecting your PayPal account with Zoho Books would just give you an easier time in managing your financials. So either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around all the way until the end. Now, when we go into our Zoho Books account, this is what it's going to look like right here. And then on the left-hand side, you want to click on Banking. So here you have just a few handful of options. The next button that you're going to click is Connect Bank/Credit Card. And then here, you're going to see the list of supported banks that you can connect to automatically. So what you're going to click on is click on PayPal. And then from here, you can either connect your bank account or credit card with PayPal. So here it's now asking, would you like to add your PayPal account to receive bank feeds? Click on yes. So from this prompt, it's basically just asking you to go ahead and log into your PayPal so that you can start keeping track of your financials on Zoho Books. So I'm not going to proceed any further than this, guys, because it's pretty self-explanatory after this. But that is essentially how to actually go ahead and connect your Zoho Books with PayPal. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.